Hi friends, this is nutritionist Mayuri Aula here. So today let's learn about the antiviral foods that helps in improving the immunity. The first one is lemongrass. You can just see nice lemongrass over here in my balcony. Okay, lemongrass has the antiviral and antibacterial properties, which helps fight against the cold, cough, and flu-like symptoms. And it also has vitamin C, which helps in boosting our immunity. So this can be consumed like a herbal tea, or you can also call it as a green tea. Just boil a glass of water with few leaves of lemongrass, and just take it as a green tea.
The next antiviral foods are ginger and garlic. Most of our Indians' diet is incomplete without these two ingredients. Ginger helps to combat inflammation and thus it helps improving our immune system. It contains a compound called as allicin. This allicin helps to build white blood cells in our body, and these white blood cells fight against common cold and flu causing viruses. The last two antiviral foods are tulsi and turmeric, which are most commonly found in almost all Indian households. Phytochemicals and the antioxidant properties present in tulsi helps in treating infections, especially the infections that are related to our respiratory tract. Similar to ginger, turmeric also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties helps to maintain a good health by improving our metabolism and immunity.
Ingredients are honey, garlic, ginger, turmeric. If this is not available, you can use a turmeric powder like this, pepper, and a little raw mango.
So grate the ingredients. As you have seen, I have grated ginger, garlic, turmeric and mango. Let's add all the ingredients to a jar. So I'm adding mango first. So the grated mango. I like grated mango, so I've taken it in little larger amounts. So let's add to this. Next you can add garlic, the grated garlic. Next ginger. Next add grated turmeric. If you guys don't have this grated turmeric, you can also add a little of turmeric powder. To this also you can add. So I'm just adding a pinch of it. Mix it. Next add a pinch of pepper powder. If you want a little spicy, you can add a little more. And to this, add a dash of salt. That's it. Add little honey. Honey, probably you can add it to your taste. Now mix the entire thing nicely. You all can see our immunity powerhouse is ready. So this mixture can be placed in refrigerator, and this stays from 10 to 20 days. You can mix it with the juices. A teaspoon of this you can add it to a glass of juice and you can drink it just like that, or probably you can boil a glass of water and add this mixture to that and consume it daily in the morning, which helps in improving your immunity.
Thanks for watching video. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section and I'll reach you with the answers. Like, share and subscribe.